Our Lady of the Pilar College Kawayan annual open house activity is indeed one of the most anticipated event of every student in the city. The house prepared different presentations to showcase the uniqueness of OLPCC as one of the most competitive school in the region, a school for inclusivity and an environment that will make you stand out.
Kahit ilang dagat man ang pagitan natin, hanggat ika'y abot tanaw, ito'y lalakihin.
With the different exhibits prepared by each department, all of the visitors was mesmerized at how prepared each Pilarcan student to lock in their professional lives.
Yabayin sa'yo.
Gaan na ba ang iyong paghinga? Bumalik ka na sa'kin. Klaro na ba ang isip sinta? Bumalik ka na sa'kin. Hindi ka na nagparamdam, buhat ng kulob ako'y nahibang. Sige na please, huwag nang mainit ka na sa'kin. Huwag mo sana akong ipabalik. Ikaw at ako na lang ulit. Sige na please, huwag nang mainis. Bumalik ka na sa'kin. Sorry mahal, ika'y nasaktan. Bumalik ka na sa'kin. Sige na please, huwag nang mainis. Bumalik ka na sa'kin. Sorry mahal, ika'y nasaktan.
Na-miss ko dito. Sa mga hindi nakakalam, galing ako sa school na to. Alma mater ko tong Holby. One, so, sasalubungin na. Wala.
Let us please welcome Jacob Bachar!
Sino ba